Well, we got that out of our systems. Let's get back on with the Art Attack Christmas Cracker. Right then. Are you fed up with the same old run-of-the-mill Christmas decorations? You know what you need? Frosty streamers. Take an A3 size piece of paper and fold it in half once, and then fold it in half twice, and then fold it in half 3 times. So that's A3 folded in 3. And then place it so that the folded edge is at the bottom, like that, and then just draw a zigzag explosion right across your paper and give it about 7 or 8 points like that. That'll do, I think. And then draw another little one just on the inside of that one, like that. But whatever you do, don't let those 2 zigzag lines touch. And then the idea is to cut this area out and this top area over there, and you will have something that looks like that. And then open it out, and look at this. You have, hey presto, 4 frosty stars. And you can make as many of these as you like. The more you make, the bigger your streamer will be. And when you've got enough for a streamer, say about 20, take one and place it down, and then just dab some glue at the top and at the bottom, and then pop another frosty star on the top. And you notice I'm using 2 different colours here, using blue and white. I think that gives a good cold and frosty effect. And then just dab some glue this time on the sides, one side, on the other side, and then a different colour like that. And keep going, just alternating your colours, and very important, alternating where you put your glue. Top and bottom, and then a star, a different coloured star, and then your glue goes on the side, and then you pop on another star. And just keep going till you've finished all your frosty stars, and each time you just alternate the colour and where you put the glue. Top, bottom, star, side, side, star, and so on. And when you've used up all of your stars, leave it to dry, and then open it out and wait for it. Look at that. There you have this fantastic frosty streamer. And I think that's absolutely brilliant. Better than anything you could buy in the shops, eh? Now, that was made using 20 frosty stars. What about this one? This was made using 40 frosty stars. And look at the length of that. Wow. You could hang that up absolutely anywhere. And if you haven't got a 3-size piece of paper, you could use smaller paper, and you get smaller stars and a thinner streamer. But I think that looks equally as good. And you can use any type of paper you like. What about using coloured sugar paper? Or maybe even coloured crepe paper? Plenty of that around this time of year. You could even use newspaper or magazines. And what about even those odd scraps of Christmas wrapping up paper? Brilliant. Try it yourself. Frosty streamers.
Oh, very festive. Fold your A3 paper in half 3 times. Draw a zigzag explosion and cut it out. When you've done lots and lots, glue them together with dots of glue. So, remember, it's top, bottom, place a star. Then, side, side, place a star. Then, top, bottom, star. Then, side, side, 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 star.